Hi guys, Charlie, the ATS Cargo Securement Specialist. Today I want to talk to you a little bit about connecting chains to loads. So we're just going to do just a simple example of a direct securement connecting the chain from the cargo to the trailer. So the way I've set the chain up, I've already got one end connected up to the cargo. I'm going to take the other end of my chain, connecting it to the trailer. In this case, I've got a couple different choices here. I could use the pipe spools. I've also got a D-ring down there that I could use as my connection points on the trailer. Today I'm going to use the spools as my connection point and then adding the binder to make the chain tight. So I'm going to take the end of my chain, running it around both of the spools. In this case, again, putting the hook back on the chain and making that loop concept. So then I'll take my chain, my ratchet binder, connecting it to the chain down here, and I'll pull the chain tight. And connecting the other end of the binder. You can see all my excess chain is basically between these 2 points. Then I'll take my binder and get ready to tighten that. This binder has a neutral position, which is nice because you can basically unlock the handle and then spin the middle. A lot of binders don't have that. A lot of times you're in just a ratcheting to tighten or to loosen mode. Once that I get that up to a semi-tight state, I'm going to kick this into gear so it tightens. And then we just ratchet. Once we've achieved a nice solid state with the chain, we're good to go with that securement. So again, this would be called the direct securement, as it goes from the trailer to the cargo and just connects on one side of the trailer. So if we were really going to go out on the road, we'd take this same idea, do it on the opposite corner, and then also complete the other end so that we're protected in all directions, basically doing the same thing at least 4 times.